We'll guide you through how to create Instagram story highlights. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Instagram story highlights allow you to go and showcase your old and expired stories on your profile. You can go and show them in your bio here. So this can be really cool to do, and you can go and add them by different events, years, or however you want to go and categorize them. We'll guide you through this step by step. So to go and get started, you need to come onto your Instagram profile page, as I already am. You can go and tap your profile icon in the bottom right to get here. Next, you need to go and head to the top right, and there you'll go and see the three lines, which you need to go and tap on, and that will go and open up your settings and activity. You need to come into this section which says how you use Instagram and go and find the option for archive, and you can go and tap there, and then you'll go and see the different archives. At the top, you can select Stories Archive. As you can see, there are some different options. You can also press the button in the top left as well. Now you want to press the three dots in the top right, and you want to go and press Select Stories. And what you can do is go and start selecting the stories you want to go and put into a highlight. You can create multiple. We'll just go and start with the first one. So I'm going to go and select these here, press create a highlight in the bottom right. You can add a name if you wish. I'll just keep it highlights, and you can go and press edit cover. Now you can go and choose one of the stories you want to go and use as the cover. This will be appearing as like the thumbnail essentially. And alternatively, you could go and choose one from your gallery. So press the photo icon in the bottom left. Then you can press done in the top right, and you can go and press add. And now it's going to be added on to your Instagram. So let's come back. And as you can see, there it is. And it's even easier to go and add more. All you then need to do is go and press new, and you can easily go and start creating more highlights after creating that initial one. So I could scroll back, for example. I could even go to the previous year, because I could go and create one for 2024 or for whatever time frame I want. I can then go and select these here like so, press next, and then I'll go and type in the year. As I said, you can go and do this to your liking. Press add, and we've now added more. That's it. If you go and tap on hold of them as well, you're going to go and see these different options. You can go and delete them if you want. You can go and edit them as well. So if you go and decide you want to add more, press stories to the left, and then you can go and see your archive again and start adding more as well.